You know what it is. Pulling on a budget production.
It's a family tradition. Diesel's running through our veins. Our daddy showed us the ropes. We were born in the fast lane. Branded by our heroes, taught to saddle up and move. We keep this country rolling. We're damn proud of what we do. We're the last of the cowboys to giddy up, go boys. 18 wheels on the concrete. It's a slow and dying breed, rolling like Jesse James. Modern day outlaw game. If you're out here riding.
Alright guys, what's up? Here we're getting another video. Here with the truck, as you can tell with next to my brother's truck. We're gonna be changing some tires on this one because I was reading some of the comments from the last video from when I said, you know, what you guys wanted to watch. And for the most part, a lot of people said, you know, that they would like to see us working on the trucks, you know, like maintenance wise, mechanic wise, etc., you know. So, you know, why not? For the most part, all the trucks are running good right now. It's just my brother's truck needs 2 front steer tires. So we just bought 2 new tires. We're gonna put them in the front, and I think we're also gonna be changing 2 drive tires because they're pretty bad. So that's about it. So we're gonna be changing what, 4 tires, 2 front steer tires and 2 drive tires, and that's it. And my brother Gabriel, right there, he just got back this morning. I believe he said he got here around 3 or 4 in the morning. And yeah, so, and my brother George barely got here, I want to say like around 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. So he got here, he took off home to go to sleep because I think he has to work again later. So yeah, so while we're here, like I said, we're gonna knock out these tires and let's get to it. I guess let's see how this goes. So yeah, got my brother's steer tires back here. Got some new Firestones. Go ahead and slap them on, and then we're gonna be changing 2 drive tires, driver's side back axle. Let's get these tires off. Alright guys, we're doing some other stuff, forgot to record. But either way, we're finished with that. We're gonna go ahead and jack up this side of the truck, jack it up, get the wheel off, unmount the tire, get the new ones on, and get it back. Let's see how long that takes. Go ahead and get these wheels off. Got a tire out, letting the air out so we can unmount this damn tire. the tire full of air. We'll get the thing mounted up. Gotta wait for the air tank to fill up. Make sure you tighten them nice and good. Hey. Alright, there you go, guys. Tightened them all up. And then he did it one by one, making sure they're all tight. And that's about it. So now we're gonna go ahead and drop it down and move on to the next side. Alright guys, I went inside real quick, and in a little bit I went inside. He already took off driver's side tires, so I guess I missed that. Oh well. Go ahead and take out this air and get this tire switched out. There you go, guys. Came off. Awesome. Nice and simple. Alright, there it is, mounted up, getting air in it, and that's it. Go ahead and slab back on, and the two front ones are done. Oh shit, gotta get the bar. My brother George parked close as shit to the thing. Thanks a lot, George.
You recording?
Yeah.
Dumbass Jorge. Tell me when they change the tires and you're not here.
Yeah, for real. Gotta go. Throw that bitch over here.
Huh?
Throw it over here.
Yeah, just fucking dirty stuff.
Bam. Yeah. He needs new ones anyway. Alright guys. I'm gonna show you guys how to take the tire off super easy, without no worries, without nothing. Just watch, check this out. Alright guys, check this out. That's how you change the tire, super easy. It's a trick, check it out. Abracadabra. That's how it's done, guys. Simple, easy, check it out. My brother likes doing it the hard way, so I had to show him how to do it the right way. So. Okay. Check this out. Abracadabra. Just like that. Alright guys. Sorry, I'm sweating my ass off. My ass still needs a haircut, man. Either way, we finished up the tires, ready to go. Unfortunately, we ran out of fucking gas. So now we gotta go get gas for the compressor. But either way, that's some good news. We're waiting all day for dispatch to call to see if we're working today. We're going on vacation. It's about that time of the year. So we're waiting all day for dispatch to call to see if we're gonna work today. And we just got the call, no work. So you know what that means, guys. Hey,
Corona time.
Corona time. Alright guys, my brother George, like I said earlier in the video, he's not here. He got home early this morning. He got here around 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm not too sure, haven't talked to him today. But my brother told me he got here like at 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. He just dropped the truck off. He went home to sleep because he thought he might have to work today. But as I said, dispatch called, there's nothing. So we're on vacay mode. But we gotta fuck with him first. So my brother Gabriel's gonna call him and tell him he has to go to work. Let's see what he says. Hey. What's up? What's up, Puda? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Okay. Sleeping.
You're sleeping?
Yeah.
Like a princess or what?
Yeah.
Fuck it. Hey bro, they called and they need 2 trucks tonight. And pues I don't know if you wanted to go or what you were gonna do or see what's up.
Yeah, I don't go to school.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, awesome dude. Hey, ahorita bring the jug de gas allí de la house y tráete un 12-pack.
12-pack the what?
The Corona for me. That's because I was still gonna change the oil on my truck and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Alright, but apúrale way because they said that they need them ASAP.
Alright, sounds good.
Árale, ya estás. Johnny said he was gonna take off right now. So yeah, alrighty, ya estás. Yeah, by the time you get here, your truck will be warmed up and stuff.
Alright, sounds good.
Árale, bro.
Alright.
Árale, bye.
Bye.
Hey, yeah, free beer. What's up, brother? Yep. What's up, Puda? How's the video, Kevin? You ready or what? Hey, you brought the gas?
Yeah, it's in the back of the truck.
Okay. Do you have your gas? Oops. Where you going? For what? Yeah. I'm just waiting so you can put the tires on. I was gonna leave, but
Where you going?
I miss you.
Yes.
I don't want to go by myself.
Free 12-pack.
Free 12-pack. That's how you do it, guys.
What's up, brother?
You tired or what?
You ready to go? Johnny didn't want to leave because he didn't want to leave without you.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's like, fuck with
That and I was lazy to go. I was like, let's take it all together. One more and that's it, bruh. Vacay mode, bruh. Vacay mode.
Now we're fucking with you.
I had a feeling when they were like, why like bring beer and shit. I had a feeling. You're like, come and right now you're like, no, we need to, by the time you get here, your truck's warmed up and your, you know, everything.
Yeah. The truck is warmed up, it's just...
No, but like, it wasn't
air.
on and then the tires are there and I was like, y'all seem really chill just to... I was like,
So you happy?
a little bit, but I was sleep still.
Fuck,
I woke up all night. I woke up with a headache, bro, again.
Well, drink beer fast. Go away. Alright guys, finished up. Fortunately I didn't record anything because I suck ass. After my brother got here, we were talking and catching him up on stuff. And sorry, I'm still trying to clean up because it's gonna rain. But either way, we finished up. And we got the wheels on the truck mounted up. Tightened everything up, and then it got really dark because it's gonna rain. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's really dark that way. And cleaned up everything as fast as we could. Double checked everything, make sure everything was picked up and everything was tightened. And while we were doing that, Dad showed up. He got back from work, and so yeah, that's about it. What's up, bitch? Woo! Should explain what we're doing. We're actually gonna take my brother George's truck to a mechanic. He has a leak from
The power steering.
what is it? The power steering pump, right? Yeah, the power steering pump. So
We don't have that much time to be
and
looking at it.
yeah, and since we're leaving tomorrow, Friday for vacation, we don't really have time to take it apart and put it back together. So
When it's raining, so
yeah, and then it's about like I said, it's about to rain, guys. It doesn't look that dark on camera, honestly.
it looks nice.
It looks nice, but actually in person it's dark as hell. But either way, we don't have time to be messing with this right now, so let's take it to the mechanic, and he's gonna go ahead and knock this out for us while we're on vacation. Once we get back, pick up the truck, we're ready to go back to work, and yeah, guys, that's really about it. So let's head out. What's up, brother? Ah, poco tienes luces. Ah, cálmate, cálmate.
We all have the same.
Cool. All right, guys, left the truck and we'll be back.
Oh, you told him what we're doing?
Yeah.
Can we talk or no?
All right, guys. Left the truck. Yeah, y'all can talk. I don't care.
Okay.
Either way, we left the truck, heading back to my dad's house and gonna get something to eat because we're hungry. And that's that. That's
and
it.
drink more beer.
And drink more beer. All right, I got mine right here. We all got ours. And so yeah, guys, that was it. I'm in the video here. Lorraine's not gonna do nothing else for today, so yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.